and the resilience shown for
pressure.
Six times the top scorer for Thailand so far in the matches they played. This is match number 10, and that's gone through and down, and that's another hole in the Thailand defence.
That's a beautiful swing. Makes her one of the best spikers in the world. Whoa! Wow. Well, the crowd didn't really go off for that, but I will. That was a thump. Beautiful hit that time from Aiden.
Gunesh serves for the first time in this serve rotation.